Need to blur parts of video on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application CapCut. If not installed, simply install it from App Store. Once you're in this page, click on New Project right over here. It will open up your gallery. Now from here, select any of the video that you want to blur it out. Once selected, it will be uploaded in this page right here. Once uploaded, now you need to split the video by clicking on it. Put this straight line up to where you want to blur it out, and then simply click on Split. Once splitted, select the part of the video that you want to blur. After that, click on Effects, and then tap on Video Effects. Tap on Blur, and there you can see that this part of the video has been blurred out. Similarly, you can blur any of the part of the video, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.